now, give it to me. Oh yeah.
Hey everybody, thank you all so much for tuning in on our refinish of this beautiful Conant Ball Dresser. Conant Ball was created in the 1850s. However, this piece probably wasn't created more until the 1950s. Very awesome, solid maple, solid wood construction, really great craftsmanship. As you can see, it's 75 years old and it's still holding up great. No frame damage whatsoever. Just needed a great refinish and it's better than new. So if you got any questions whatsoever, feel free to comment below. We're really good about getting back to comments. We love to chat with y'all. And if you like the video, don't forget to hit that like button. And most importantly, if you want to see any future videos that we upload, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell, and you'll get a notification anytime that we upload a video. So thanks again for tuning in, and we hope to see y'all in the future.